Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And you can see here we're in Down Under, and here's one way to transport a broken airplane to the airport to be repaired. You can put it in a U-Haul, or it can go on a full-size 18-wheeler, and here it is. So stand by while we have some more fun from these pictures from Down Under. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. All right, if you're going to take an airplane that's been put into a trailer and get it out, the first thing you want to do is you might want to tell a bunch of your friends you've got some nice cold beer and you need to borrow them for a couple of minutes. And that way you're assured that you're going to have a good crew to come work on the airplane. Now, here's the owner of the airplane standing by it in the hangar, and this is all before the flight. And then as you can see, after the flight, it's going to look a little bit different. And then here it is in the hangar, and it's being in the process of being taken apart. They're taking apart the interior. They've already got the tail off, the cowling off, the wings off. They're going to have to do everything they're going to need to do to get this airplane back to get it ready for flight. Now, it's an interesting process because when you need parts, you have to get them all the way from America. There are maybe some few parts depots down under, but I wouldn't count on it. But as you can see, it all depends on the hangar you have to work in. Now, this one reminds me a lot of my first hangar. It was a dirt floor with a little bitty small concrete pad right there under the tires. But you can do the work as long as you're out of the weather. It works out very well. Now, the nice thing about having your repairs done here, they were also nice enough to include a bunch of pictures of the stunning scenery that can be around the airport where they're flying. And as you can see here, there's a hang glider right there over the cliff going along. But there's also a beautiful lighthouse up on the head, and it's very remarkable and it's easy to spot. There's also the beautiful scenery and the shores and all. So it's a wonderful place to fly near the coast down in Australia. Gives you some wonderful scenery, some stunning vistas to see. And as you can see, there's looks like a hang glider, but who knows what it could be up in the sky floating around. But again, it's stunning scenery all the way down there. Here's some surfers on the boards having some fun in the waves, and then here's a shot the other way looking along the round arced beach, a nice good crescent. So ladies and gentlemen, if you do have an airplane and you'd inadvertently hurt it, well, depending upon where you are, you can always transport it and have it fixed. It beats trying to find a new airplane, and it keeps you with the one that you know and you love. And again, this one just happened to be done in some beautiful scenery down in Australia. You don't have to have beautiful scenery to do this repair, but we hope you found all of this information useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And as a little treat for you, as the cats enjoy their treat, there they are munching down on some wheatgrass we bought at Kroger's the other day. They love the heck out of that stuff, and so enjoy them chomping on their little dessert.